guys. Can you hear me? Uh, okay. Oh, okay, it's live. Hello, everyone. It's the first time I live stream, so I'm kind of nervous. Let me share, post it on Twitter. Okay. Oh, hey. 200 people watching now. Cool. So let's run Vim basics together. So I've been using NewVim for building my app, as you may know. So it's my main editor, and today I'd like to share the very basics of Vim. So how to move cursor or something like that. So here is the list of what we are gonna run. Quick list. So basic keymap for modes, basic cursor movements, horizontal motion like so. So yeah. So please launch your Vim right now, and let's use it together. Okay? Oh, I can't see your comments. Hello. How are you? Oh, hello, Metchas, Darshan, and Enrico, Thomas, Lucifer, Hichem, Wilbur. No Japanese. I only talk in English. Okay. Let's get started. Yeah. So I'm gonna use my my projects that I posted on YouTube in the past. So you can use it as a playground. So I'll paste it here. Okay, it's a simple React Native project. Yeah, so this is the project, and you can see. Yeah, this is the simple project, and let's open up the React component here. And so the Vim has 4 modes. One is normal mode, so you can move your cursor around, as you can see. And another mode is insert. So insert is for writing text. Yeah. And the third mode is visual mode. Visual mode is for selecting text, like so, block select, and line wise. And the fourth mode is command mode. Command mode is for like this, so you can run various commands here, like :h, and you can see the Vim help file here. And :q is for quitting the Vim. Yes. Duration of live. Duration live. It's about 1 hour, maybe. How about merge cursors? Merge cursor is like this, so you can insert lines at once, but it doesn't work like Sublime Text, so you can't have multiple cursors at multiple places at once. Okay, and that's the basic Vim 4 modes. And the next one is okay. So I'll change this chapter text. Yeah. Basic cursor movement. Yes. So I'm gonna show you how to move cursor on Vim. And the L key, okay. L key is for like right arrow key, and H key is for left key. Yes, it's Q1. And J is like down key, and K is up. So you can move cursors without leaving the home position. Yes, Daisuke-san. So he says, Vim keybind. How do you configure the Vim keybind? So Vim, yes, that's a good question. So Vim requires you to press Escape key to exit the insert mode. So you always have to press Escape key. But I prefer to press Control this key. How do you call it? Square bracket, square opening bracket. So like control this square bracket to exit the insert mode. So I use Carabiner Elements. I'm on Mac OS, and I use Carabiner Elements for customizing the key bindings. And so as you can see, there is a configuration for mapping Control plus opening square bracket to Escape key. You can find this configuration on the internet by searching Google. Yes, so I use it as an escape key. So you can quickly exit the insert mode. This is handy, but it requires some time to get used to it. I don't press command command key. I don't use command key on Vim because it has many. It causes many duplicate key maps. And Samuel control plus opening bracket seems to be stretch. Yes, it's awkward, kind of awkward key binding, but I guess there are people who use the same key binding. Because I found a page on Stack Overflow, and I found that there are people who use this key binding, and I decided to use it. Yeah, I have no problem with this key binding. Yeah, this one has a caps lock key, but I swapped to control key. It is not caps lock key. Yes, I know. Garachas, I use JK to use it insert mode. Fingers are already there on home row. Yeah, that's right. So I know there are also people who use JJ to exit JK. Well, I forgot, but yeah, that's another option. Another good option. Control key to caps lock. Chamberment. Did you remap control key to the caps lock? I usually don't use caps lock, so I don't have any keys for caps lock at the moment. So that's the basic key map, and I use control open bracket for escape key. Yes, so the home position is important when you use Vim, and because it makes you significantly faster to type text. Like so. And so it's important to remember which finger is the nearest for which key. So you don't have to look at the key when you type like symbols. So the middle finger is for $sign or sharp. And so I practice it a lot to remember these keys, but I sometimes forget, so I have to I look at key sometimes. How long it will take to become pro in Vim? Yuspa. I actually don't know how long. It depends, because it's like a musical instrument. So you have to practice every day a lot. But I've been using Vim for about 10 years or more years. I don't remember when I feel comfortable using Vim, and I'm learning, still learning Vim, because so there are a lot of convenient way to edit text that I still don't know. So it's like musical instruments. So you have to learn all through your life. Bit of an echo. That's because I'm using two mics. Which one is for which one is for this keyboard, and another one is for my voice, and it causes some echo. I don't know how to solve this echo at the moment. Maybe there are a bit time lag. Okay. So okay. The next step is repeat prefix. So it's annoying to press many times the same key. The same key many times. So Vim supports the repeat prefix. So if you type 4J and the cursor moves down four lines down, and for L and the cursor moves 4 characters right. Ten J, 10H, like so. So which is handy. And the next one is word movements. Word movements is like this. The cursor jumps based on the word. What if you need to type those characters? Okay. Which color scheme do you use, Tofu? So you can check out my Vim config and thumbnail configuration in the video description below. So you can here Vim RC here. So you can check out my configuration and which theme I use. So I prefer using solarized dark. Okay. Yes, so that the word movements is important when you move to cursor around horizontally or vertically. So B is for moving the cursor to previous beginning of word, like this. The W is for moving forward, and E is W. Sorry, W is for moving the cursor to beginning of next word, beginning of next word, and E key is for the end of word. And I prefer pressing E key. E and L combination is my preference, like this. And B for backward movement. Okay. And the next motion is horizontal motions. So I've been, as you can see, I've been often pressing zero key. So zero key is for moving to the head of the beginning of the line, and dara key is for end of the line. So I use the middle finger for dara key, and pinky fourth finger for zero key. Pop sound. Charles Chu. Is the popcorn sound normal? I guess I'm playing the rain sound in the background. So instead of playing the background music, so it's soothing, and I like it. So it's pretty normal. Okay, let me check that sound. Yes. The echo is terrible. The echo is terrible. How can I solve this? Maybe it's better. Okay, let me try this. あれ、日本の人。Yes, I'm Japanese. So I've been practicing speaking English on the second channel. I have a weekly vlog that I'll report what I've done this week. The echo, is there any improvement on the echo issue? Can you still hear the echo? Oh, okay, good. Okay, good. Thanks. Okay. Yes. So the zero and the dollar sign is important for horizontal motions, and also underscore keys for the move the cursor to the head of the line, not the beginning of the line. So it's kind of handy when you wanna insert the new line. But personally, I don't often use the underscore key. Instead, I often use zero key. Can you show shift plus curly bracket movements? Curly bracket. It's like this. So it's a paragraph based movement. I don't use this key usually. Yes. Okay. And so if you wanna delete the line from the current cursor position, D dollar does that. So because the dollar sign is for means you wanna do something until the end of the line. So D means delete, and so if you type DL, it deletes the one character line right, and DH deletes the one character leftward. I don't know, like this. And if you type C dollar, it deletes the from your cursor to the end of the line and enters the insert mode. So you don't have to press A key. A key is for append. A means append. And I is for insert into the current cursor position. Insert. I like this. And C means change. So if you press CE, so it deletes the current word. Oops. So CB, so it deletes backwards and enter insert mode. It's pretty handy, so I often use C key to replace the function name or like so. And if you wanna add more text at the end of the line, press Shift A. So as you can see, the cursor jumps to the end of the line and enters the insert mode. Okay. Edu order. I think it's a Keychron Q1. Yes, right. That's right. It's Keychron Q1 with custom keycaps bought from the official Keychron store. How to copy line down. So yank is for copying text. And so if you drag to copy line, I often use the visual mode. It's Shift V, press Shift V and as you can see, it changes the mode to visual line, and you can select text line wise. So and press Y, and as you can see, 5 lines yanked, and press P to paste the yanked text. It doesn't make sense. Yes, so Y is for copy, right? Rex void. Y copies your line. Y5J copies 5 lines downward. That's right. So Y copies the current line, like so. And Y5J means copy yank 5 lines downward. And if you wanna insert new line, press A and press enter is kind of annoying. So I prefer pressing O key. O inserts new line and also inserts indentation. So you don't have to press tab keys. If you wanna insert a new line on the top of the current line, on the above line, Shift O does that. So press O and Shift O for the insert new line. Okay. Wow. Yeah. Okay. So the next one is text. Oh, I forgot to change the chapter title. Alright. Text object selection. Yes. Oops. Yeah. So the next one is powerful for editing functions or defining const. So if you wanna select the current word, press VIW. As you can see, it enters the visual mode and select the word at the current cursor position. And this, so visual inner word, VIW, visual inner word, to select the current word. This is very useful. Okay, what is the functional setup? I guess set no wrap. what is the set com v? What is the function of set wrap in Vim? So if you wanna enable the line wrap, you can run this command, and no wrap disable the line wrapping. So VIW is for selecting text object, and YIW is for yanking inner word. DIW is for delete inner word. Oops, sorry. JIK, is it possible to select multiple words in a line, like VIL or something like that? Yes, you can. So here is the okay. So here is the text, and if you wanna select these words, you have multiple options to do that. So one is V E and E again. It's kind of annoying to select this string constant. So I prefer press VI quotation, VI quotation. So you can select the inner words of the quotation marks at once. So VI, it can be anything like oh sorry. So it can be anything. Double quotation works properly, and curly bracket also works. Oops. Yeah, like so. So if you wanna change the text, press CI double quotation, and you press new text like so. This is very handy. Also, if you wanna select this line, including the quotation, press VA quotation. So it means select outer chairs. So VA like this. So VA double quotation. Like so. VID. So you can delete the React component at once. So CI. How do you call this character? I don't know. So if you wanna rewrite component like this, so I often use this key combination. Z. Hey Take, the window looks so small. Do you work on a window that small personally? No. It's unusual, unnatural. It's hard to code in such a small window. So I don't use this. It's for only just for streaming and filming the video tutorials. Yeah. So I prefer. So I split the window using Tmax. As I talked before in the past video, and it's too small to do that. Okay, the next one is vertical motions. So it's vertical motion is also powerful. So as I mentioned before, you can jump around by pressing the repeat prefix. But if you wanna jump to the beginning of the document, you can press GG. Okay, GG. And if you wanna move to the end of the document, press capital G. So GG and capital G is for this. And I've been using the Control D for scrolling down and the Control U for scrolling up. The Control D jumps a half page down. The Control U jumps up a half page, as you can see. I like this key bindings. And if you wanna, so the cursor is when you wanna focus on the current line, press ZZ. So it brings your cursor to the center, the middle of the window. Also, you can specify the line number directly by the command. And if you press 10, you will jump to the line 10. So 14, you jump to the line 14. Like this. Okay. Sometimes I use ZZ to focus the central lap tree ahazu. ZB for the bottom. ZB. ZB. Nothing happens for me. Yeah, okay. And next thing is conversions. So I sometimes use this this feature for. So if you press, so when you select the word and press U, it make the word lowercase, and so if you press capital U, it converts the word uppercase at once, like so. So it's if it's you mistakenly named this as a capital name, you can change it back to the lowercase like this. Okay. how to deal with comment in multiple lines. I use a plugin for that. So if you want to comment out these lines, I press ZC, okay, ZC, and it's not a built-in Vim feature. It's by comment.nvim plugin. This one. I like this plugin for commenting out. So inline comment also it's possible to comment out inline. Is this Vim, NeoVim, Jasuke? It's NeoVim. I switched from Vim to NeoVim about 2 years ago, maybe, because I wanted to try out the NeoVim new features. LSP support was the killer feature for me. Bass, pass, and high. Which prompt are you using? Are you talking about shell? I'm using fish. Yes. I've posted the fish shell, my fish setup on my channel, so please check it out. Okay, and the last one. Here's the last one. It's a search. So if you wanna search the current word, press asterisk. Simply press asterisk. So you can search the word quickly, and press N to jump to the next matching word, like so. Or if you wanna search by word, press slash and type this, like this, return, something like that. Yeah. So that's the very basics of Vim. But okay. Do you get it? Do you get them? Matching word at the same time. Summon. After finding word, how to change all the matching word at the same time. So replacing is also possible. For example, if you want to render item to another word at once, I type this like this. So there are those have been changed. These have been changed, and like so. So by adding G, so it also replaces the second matches in the same line, like this. So that's it. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learn some basics from this live stream. 日本から応援してます。ありがとうございます。Yes, visual S colon S. Yeah, percent S slash and search word and new word. Like so. Okay. Yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, it was fun. So have a nice day. Have a productive day. See you.